Okay, let's get into it. Here we have an old frontal curly wig. It's actually a natural wave wig, but as you can see, I hand stitched this, so it's kind of old because your girl is sewing on a sewing machine now. But let's go ahead and revive this wig because it's looking raggedy. So first I'm going to get some conditioner and kind of wash it out. I'm going to let a little water in the sink just so I can let it kind of, all the oils and stuff. So I pat it down to get all the excess dirt and oils and everything that's in the hair, and then I'm just gonna take my dimming brush and kind of brush it out, and then I'm just gonna squeeze out all that extra water. And look how dirty the water is, you guys. Like, it's so much that was in this hair that I had just sitting up, but it's all fresh now. Okay, let's get into this install. So you see me using the pantyhose. This is what I'm going to use for my ball cap, and I cut out the eyes because your girls can't see. Then I use that Eben spray in the red can so that I can mold it down, and I use a little bit of the Ruby Kiss makeup to give that look. And of course, you know I'm using Erica J. Ow. And then you see me just molding the cap down, pushing the lace down, and I'm gonna use my comb just to give it help seep it through my skin. And I just freaked out. Hair was on me, but yeah, so I used the comb to kind of mold it down, and see, that's the finished look. And of course, tie your lace down, ladies. Look, so this is the outcome. Look how beautiful this hair is, you guys. The curls are amazing. You have to watch the next video so you can see how I get these beautiful curls. That's going to be the look. But yeah, I'm just gonna flatten this out just so it can, you know, lay flat and I don't have any humps. I like it to lay as seamless as possible. Look at that part, you guys. This lace is amazing. So here I'm just taking some oils just so I can squunch it up. I've already wet the hair. But yeah, this is really all I do, y'all. So yeah, I'm just rubbing it all, and then I have just a mousse. I think it's that Naobi or something like that. I don't know. I'll link it down. I'll put it down below. But I just take that to kind of smooth my baby hairs, and I'm just taking the leftover oil that I had on my hands and just smooth this out so it's seamless and we can be flawless. Okay, so let's help melt this lace entire skin even more. I'm just going to take my lace band and I'm going to tie it around just so it can press into my skin and it can lay flat, so that when it's time to get out of my car for work, I just take this off and we are laid. And that's it. Thanks for watching.